Steve and I have a 2019 Nissan Murano here in the shop, and we're going to show you how to change the windshield wipers on it.
So we got our 2019 Nissan Murano here, V6. We got an air filter replacement that we're going to do. We've got a quick disconnect over here and one over here, and we're going to try and slip the filter up and out, and it looks like it's going to be a fairly easy one to do. Just lift up here, slide the filter out. Now you want to look in the box, down inside the box there. You want to make sure there's no squirrels, stuff, debris in there or anything. So we stick our hand down there, no acorns, none of that. So we're going to slip our air filter back in place here. Okay, make sure all our edges are down. They all seem to be down. And we've got some slots in the back here. You look down in here where my fingers are. So we have to get the air filter to drop down into those slots. The cover. Okay. We got the tabs lined up over here.
Yep.
That's what was stopping us. So
Right there's a tab here. Is there one on the other side, Steve?
yeah, there's one on the other side.
Okay.
Too.
Make sure those are lined
Yeah.
up,
Yeah.
and you should be able to get your cover to latch in properly and hit the latches and secure it down.
That'll be it.